What's going on YouTube? I'm Hoffinader. Hope you guys are having a great day. I want to show you two clips and you let me know what the difference is. Post it in the comments down below. So here's clip one. Hey, blued him. Downed him.
Loser.
And here's clip two. Hey, blued him. Downed him.
Loser.
Downed him. So what'd you notice? Audio was a little better on the second one, right? So there's something in video editing called J-cuts and it has to do with audio. And I'm about to explain that in a minute. But if you like this video, hit the like button down below. Don't forget to subscribe. And once you watch this video, drop in the comments down below and post some links of some videos that you edited before and after so we can all see the difference. I also stream on Twitch Tuesdays and Wednesdays at noon and Sundays at 11, all times central. And I play Warzone with viewers on Sundays. So if you want to jump in and play with the Hoff, Sunday's the stream you want to jump in on. So let's get into it. Hoff's YouTube video intro is still on its way from Fiverr. So you can see here that I have a clip that I want to edit, which is what you just saw, and I can take this guy out. Great. But then there's 15 seconds between this guy and the next guy. And you hear that airplane sound that came over right as soon as I killed him. So I can't exactly just cut that out because you saw in clip number one, it's a little like awkward. It's abrupt. So then you see there, kill number two. So what I did was come over here. Hey, blued him. Get the kill. Down him. Boom, down, elim. Kill confirmed. You hear the plane coming in right there. So I'm gonna cut there. I'm also gonna cut here. And then I'm gonna detach the audio from this one. Delete the video. And so now if you see underneath, it pulled the video back. And then we have just that extra audio clip there. And what I'll do with that is I'll just fade it out. That way that airplane sound doesn't cut off abruptly, but instead it smooths out and it fades out with a nice little smooth finish. That way, now when I see homeboy number two running across right here, I'll come back, flip this. That way the airplane finish happens right when I'm starting to aim down sights with this guy. Boom.
Loser.
Lot smoother. You do that over your entire video. Audio is crucial. So if you have really choppy audio, it feels uncomfortable for the viewer, but if you have really smooth finishes and smooth transitions like that, the video feels a lot smoother to the viewer, and odds are they're gonna watch more of the video and they're gonna watch more of you. So I hope this helps. And if you like the video, please like the video down below. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna start to put more helpful tips out like this. But until next time, I hope you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one. That way, now when I see homeboy number two running across right here,